Standard 6th Subject General Science Unit Nutrition and Diet. Hello students, we are learning about our 7th lesson Nutrition and Diet. In the previous videos, we have learnt about nutrients. Today, we are going to learn about probiotics, balanced diet, malnutrition, overnutrition, junk foods, how to avoid obesity, and adulteration of food. Okay, let's start. First, we will take information about probiotics. Students, you have known about microorganisms. Useful microorganisms convert milk into yogurt. These microorganisms are present in yogurt and in buttermilk. They are called probiotics. There are lakhs of microorganisms in our intestines. They are essential for our health. Hence, to maintain them in our body, we should include probiotics such as yogurt and buttermilk in our daily diet. When we suffer from loose motions and vomiting, we throw out microorganisms along with intestinal water. Some medicines can also kill them. Therefore, we need to take extra yogurt or buttermilk to restore their numbers. Okay, let's learn about balanced diet. All that we consume during the day is together called our diet. A diet containing adequate quantities of all nutrients is called a balanced diet. सर्व पोषक तत्वांचा पुरेशा प्रमाणात समावेश करणाऱ्या आहाराला संतुलित आहार म्हणतात. To build a strong and healthy body, we need all nutrients in the right proportion and in sufficient quantities in our daily diet. Next, significance of a balanced diet. संतुलित आहाराचे महत्त्व. An increased capacity to work, good physical and mental health, increased capacity to fight or resist diseases, and helps in proper growth of the body. To keep ourselves fit and healthy, balanced diet as well as regularly exercise, these things are necessary. Then how to get a balanced diet? To ensure that we get a balanced diet from the food we eat, we can make a food pyramid. Here in the diagram 7.6, we have shown the balanced diet pyramid. All food which we eat is classified into various groups. The space allotted to each food group in the pyramid depends upon the proportion in which it should be included in our diet. Hence, we can choose foods from each group daily according to the space allotted to it in the pyramid. If we choose some items from each group in the right proportion according to the pyramid, we can make sure that we are getting a balanced diet. Students, always remember, the best way to good health is taking a balanced diet and avoiding the deficiency of any nutrient. Next point is malnutrition. Malnutrition occurs when all the nutrients that the body needs are not obtained in the proper proportions from the diet. Then overnutrition. If one's diet exceeds one's need, it is called overnutrition. गरजेपेक्षा जास्त आहार घेतल्याने अतिपोषण होते. Next we will discuss about junk foods. Chocolates, noodles, burgers, pizzas, chips, bottled soft drinks, attractively packaged snacks, vadas, pakodas, etc. are junk foods. Junk foods do not supply all the necessary nutrients. They contain refined flour, sugar, oil in large proportions. We get energy from these foods and our hunger is satisfied. If we eat the junk foods frequently, our body soon experiences a shortage of proteins, vitamins, and minerals, and that's why we cause malnutrition. Junk food eaten frequently also causes obesity. Obesity is not good for our health. Then how to avoid obesity? We have to do next things. Have a balanced diet, eat whole grains, eat fruits and vegetables with their skins, increase use of bicycles, play more outdoor games. We have to avoid these things. Do not eat if you are not hungry. Do not watch TV while eating. Do not use motor vehicles for traveling a short distance. Avoid pre-cooked packaged foods. Then let's learn about adulteration of food. अन्न पदार्थांतील भेसळ. In order to earn more profits, cheaper substances of low quality are mixed with the foodstuffs. These substances are called adulterants, and adding them to foodstuffs is called adulteration of food. Adulterants may even be poisonous or harmful to health. Such adulterated food is impure and harmful and so unfit for consumption. भेसळयुक्त अन्नपदार्थ अशुद्ध व हानिकारक असल्यामुळे ते खाण्यास अयोग्य असतात. It is difficult to identify these adulterants mixed with the food. Here in this table there are given some examples of food items and adulterants. First is milk. Adulterants, water, chemicals like urea, starch. Chili powder, adulterants are used, brick powder, powdered pumpkin. Peppercorns, papaya seeds, ice cream, washing soda, pepper pulp. Rice, small white stones. And in peanuts, adulterants are used, reddish pebbles or stones. Students, always remember, adulteration of food is a crime. Do not eat adulterated foods. अन्नाची भेसळ करणे हा कायद्याने गुन्हा आहे. भेसळयुक्त अन्न खाऊ नये. ओके, टेक केअर, बी हेल्दी. बाय स्टुडंट्स.